Hello students, welcome with the topic of class 7th, that is express the following percents as fractions. First is 14%. So first of all write it like this. 14% means 14 out of 100. So we can write it like this, 14 over 100. Now we will convert it into the lowest term. How we have to convert it into lowest terms? 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 0. So this is equal to 7 by 50. Next is 0.02%. So we will write it like this. 2 over, first of all I will remove the decimal, put 2 zeros because after decimal there are 2 digits, so I have put 2 zeros here, multiplied 1 by 100 for percentage, two ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0. So this is 1 over 5,000. Next is 14.8%. It will be equal to 148 over, we will remove the decimal, 10 multiplied by 1 by 100 for percentage. Now we will convert it into lowest terms. 4 25s 100. So this is equal to 37 over 250. First of all, we will convert it. This is a mixed numeral. So first of all, we will convert it into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So this is equal to 13 by 4%. So we will solve it like this. 13 over 400. Next, 12.5%. So first of all, remove the decimal. Put 1 by 100 for percentage. Cutting. 25. 4s are 100. 25 5s are 125. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So this is equal to 1 by 8. Next, 25 over 100, decimal, 2 digits. So I have put 2 zeros here. 1 by 100 for percentage. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.